How to clone apps on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to clone app on your iPhone, then simply go ahead and open your preferred browser, as cloning the app can be done through a website. So, once you have opened your preferred browser, go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for the app that you want to clone. For instance, I will search for Instagram.com. Now, once you have opened the official webpage of that app, tap on your search bar and then go ahead and tap on the share icon on the bottom center of your screen, and you will see the option for add to home screen. So tap on the add to home screen option you see there, and then tap on the add option on the top right of your screen, and with this the app will be cloned on your home screen, as you can see here on the screen. Now, as you can see, I have two Instagram app. One opens and leads me to the Instagram application, whereas the other opens and leads me to website of Instagram. So this was about how you can clone apps on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.